Welcome to this training video on installing and configuring Persona Beacon. We're doing this demonstration today on an iPad, but the same set of steps can be used for an iPhone, an Android phone, or an Android tablet. To start the process, you should have received an email like the one that we're showing here that invites you to download the app and then also has a link to configure and install everything. So the first thing we'll do is follow the instruction that says install Persona Beacon. We're on an iPad, so we're going to go to the Apple Store here. Okay, so then it takes you directly to the app and you just click download, which will also install the application when it's downloaded. Then you can open it. When it opens the first time, you've got to give it some permissions like connecting to Bluetooth, and then there is terms of service that you can read through and accept, and then a privacy policy that you can read through and accept. And that gets you to this screen to enter a verification code. This is how the Persona Beacon app knows who you are and how to connect data appropriately in the background. So from here, you can go back to the email, and the step number 2 is to use this link to kind of finish configuring everything. So if you just click on that link, it'll actually fill in the code for you automatically and take you to this screen where you can begin adding devices. And there are a couple other videos that show how to connect a variety of iHealth devices to Persona Beacon that you can watch. Thanks.